In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to recover a disabled Facebook account in 2025. If your account has been disabled and you're getting this error, the video for today is going to be interesting. Watch my video completely till the end. I'm sorry about your Facebook account, but I'm very much sure if Facebook has disabled your account, they have a very good reason for it. And I'm sure you have been notified about the fact. But even though you think that it's not fair and you want to maybe reinstate your disabled Facebook account, I'm going to give you two methods to do this so that if one doesn't work, you can go for the other. The first method, get onto facebook.com and then you scroll down to click on help out here. You could do it on your smartphone also. Open the Chrome browser and use it, no problem. You're going to be directed to this page and just type in my account got disabled. Click on the first link. My Facebook account was suspended or disabled. And then you're going to get directed to this page on which you have something as an update. So previously you only had like one option to fill up a form and then send it to Facebook within the first 30 days after you are notified about your suspension on Facebook. And they review your account and stuff like that. But now you have various options. Okay, so when you come on this page, you see that you can appeal a suspension by logging into Facebook. So if you click on this link, you're going to be prompted to log into your Facebook account, and then it is going to allow you to log in. But after you log in, it is going to give you an option to appeal to Facebook. So you're going to get a form after you log in to fill up, and you fill up the form, send it to Facebook. You need to ensure that this is done within 180 days. Previously, they gave you just 30 days for your disabled account, but right now they have given you like 6 months to do it, not just 1 month. Okay, so you have enough time. You could request an appeal to them, and I'm very much sure these guys are going to review your account and get back to you ASAP. The second method is kind of indirect, but it is going to hit Facebook or get to them faster. What you could do is get in touch with them through social media. You could get onto Twitter or maybe on LinkedIn or whatever it is, and try to communicate with them through messages or a comment in the post. Just tell them that my account was suspended for no reason, I do not know why, and stuff like that. That shouldn't be the case, and all these things. And then you could request an unban out there. Apart from that, what you could also do is you could send them a feedback. Okay, so you could click on no out here and then select other, click on select, and then you're going to get a box like this. Here you could send a message to Facebook. So you could just put in a message like this: hi team, my Facebook account was disabled for no reason. If I did anything wrong, please could you give me a one-time exception? Please could you consider my request, cause Facebook is very important to me because I need to keep in touch with my friends and family members and all these things. Okay, you are trying to be emotional with them. You're trying to oil them a bit, so as to say. And then you put in your name, your Facebook ID or your handle, Facebook email address that was linked to that specific Facebook account, your phone number linked to that specific Facebook account, and a contact email that you are available on right now. Maybe your Facebook email you forgot, or whatever may be the reason. If these two emails are the same, put in the same email addresses, no problem. So put in all the details here, submit it. You're definitely going to get a communication from Facebook. I'm very much sure. Try these two methods and do let me know in the comment section below, or send me an email if you were able to recover your disabled Facebook account. Give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.